Hi guys, good morning. Today I wanted to show you a couple of custom pieces that we just did for a customer in Houston, Texas. There are two particular things about these. They have been tooled, so we have used the ability of our former saddle makers on to do the tooling. So you can see we have made this tooling design in the four corners in this frame. Both of them are around 44 by 35 inches. Both of them are 3-inch wide and 3-inch wide as well. This one has traditional and tooling on the corners with just a simple seam that we have adapted onto the tooling design. The other one has an embossing design of a barbed wire all the way around. Both of them are based on the dark sienna tones, like this one and this one in particular, which is a molding 3004, is a combination between the sienna in the outside and the dark sienna in the inside. We wanted to show you these because both of them are particularly different of the tooling designs that we used to offer and we still offer on the market. So take a look. These are basically two specific designs that we have made on corner samples for them that we make it back to you again. So again, you can actually see them later on the website on Special Frames, and that you can visit us is www.houseofmercier.com. We also have the social media, which is Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and I think I'm not forgetting anything. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. See you soon.